Ayy, get in my way and try to block me, I'ma show aggression. Slide on your block like Danny Glover with a lethal weapon. I fucked your thought, she gave me top, I guess that's my confession. Got no regrets, I made mistakes, but I learned from my...
What's going on, my E-double crew? It's your boy E-Money back up in here on this lovely Tuesday. Hope everybody had a great weekend and getting ready for a banging month in August or something like that coming up on the 7th. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers, my continued subscribers. Thank you for leaving all the comment suggestions below. Like I said, I do read all of my comments, and if I don't respond to them right away, I will get back to them. Even when I start building up my channel, I will respond to each and every one of you. Like I said, I respond to all comments. Negative. Only thing I ask, no racial comments. And another that, if you agree, we can agree to disagree. I don't take no pun intended for that. Now, without further ado, let's get into this review. As you can see, it's a Nike box. I want to let everybody know what's out there because it almost is back to school time. And boy, it is really hot. But it is almost that time for back to school. As you can see, Nike box. Got them from my guy at his Foot Action. You already see me down at Flight 23, International Marketplace down in Waikiki. Nike Air Max 1 Premium, suggested retail price, 130 of them things. 10 in the size 10 and a half. Fisher colorway, beach, black, and praline. I don't know praline. I think a pecan or praline ice cream, but hey, it is what it is. You know, I got these for the low. I use that military discount. Gotta use it. I'm a cheapskate, and just the deals if I can get it. But if I got to pay the up, I will pay the up. As you can see, got the date on there in the corner. Quality control sticker over there. Then spectacular about this paper. And I went on and grabbed these things. These Camo Air Max 1 bangles. Love this gum bottom underneath. Got your Nike Air. I mean, it's nylon. I already done craped the heck out of this shoe. Make sure don't get no stain. That probably gonna be the only thing that drives me crazy on this shoe. So make sure I gotta maintain this shoe. It's kind of like that desert camo. The laces are nice and black. On the tongue, you got Nike Air Max. Come around on the side of here. I don't know what type of material this is for the check. It ain't leather though. It's weird. Kind of almost feel like a nubuck or something. Then you got white here on the side sole. Your air unit is dark black. Coming around on the butt, you see you got that stitch Nike Air. Coming around on the medial side, pretty much the same thing. You see your air unit there. Inside the shoe, you got Nike Air inside the shoe. I mean, not too much details to the shoe. It's just very dope shoe on foot. So if you like this video, like I said, I always like to keep it nice, short, sweet, and simple if I can. Unless I do a mix it in with a vlog. Hit the thumbs up. He'll hit a thumbs down. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And let's see, what do we give this shoe here? On a scale of 5 on the hot meter, I get this about a 4.25 out of 5. 4.25 out of 5. You guys let me know, would this be a cop for you or would this be a pass? Again, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, follow me on IG, E_money_shoes. Can't even talk today. It's your boy, E-double, and I'm out. Deuces.
Yeah, nigga. The corner could get you rich. Let me go, gang. You already know I'm about to say, nigga, I'm always in the streets. I'm street, nigga. Like, fuck you thought.